Hey you guys, welcome back. I am so excited today to talk about QR codes. Not going to lie, I felt like a really smart techie person when I was making these, but they really are simple to do and really fun to do for like back to school night or an open house night. So the reason that I am creating a QR code for back to school night or open house night is because this year my school is not doing open house night. In the past, open house was a 2-hour frame and it was an open house, so families could come in and out. A lot of my students had met me at their assessment day a couple days before, so they were always super excited to bring their families in and to show them their room, drop off the supplies, and then parents can always ask any questions. I always like to figure out how their kid is getting home the first day and anything like that. But this year we're doing curriculum night instead, and it's going to be a couple weeks into the school year to just really tell the parents everything they need to know about our grade and our classroom. So I'll be meeting my students at assessments, and those are about 15 minutes. They might be a little bit longer this year, and parents can drop them off this year so we can kind of touch base briefly. But I wanted to have a special way for the kids to feel like they sort of know me before they come in on the first day of school. So what I'm going to be doing at assessments is giving each of my students their take-home folder. And inside the take-home folder are all the things like back to school information, questionnaires about their child, what else in there, our schedule. And then I'm also going to have these strips of paper that has the QR code and just a little information about what the QR code is for. So I decided to take this book, The Night Before Kindergarten by Natasha Wing, and I read it out loud YouTube style, but held the pictures up so that the students could see the pictures and hear my voice while I was reading it. The audio QR codes would be best if you had a QR code inside of a book that each student got so that they could listen to you read it while they're following along with the pages. Okay, so what you want to do first is go to your voice memos, click that, and then I already recorded my actual The Night Before Kindergarten, but to record you're going to press the red button and it starts recording right away. 'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. I'm just going to pretend that that's what I want to do for it, but you can actually click in here and change the name. Okay, but this is the one I'm actually going to use. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to press share, and you're going to share it to your drive. And there are my 2 copies of The Night Before Kindergarten. So I'm going to click the 3 little dots, and first I'm going to make sure that the link sharing is on. So I just turned it off. So if you click it, it turns on. Then when you click it again, when you go to share, you can just check and see that I have the editing right. And link sharing is on. Anyone with the link can view, which is what we want. So when we go back, click out of there, click those dots one more time, and I'm going to click copy link. Now it's copied to my clipboard. So you're going to get out of this and open up a web browser, and you want to go to qrcode.kaywa, so KAYWA.com, and right here you're going to hold that and just paste down your code. Here you want to toggle over to static and then click generate. This will come up and you're just going to want to click I want to continue to work with my static code, so you can do it for free. And then here you can download the QR code to make it a PNG, or if you just tap and hold onto it, this will come up, and if you click save image, then it's going to be saved into your photos. Okay, so here's my saved QR code image, and I'm just going to drag that over onto my PowerPoint that I've already started to create, and then you can resize it. It's a picture, so you can do just the same things that you would to a picture, and I'm going to fit it right there, a little bit smaller there. And I made 3 copies so that I could copy this paper on some bright, Astro Bright paper, and then make enough that each page would have 3 copies that I can cut apart. So the QR code works right there. I can print this, make sure it's going to fit to my page, and print it. And then I can show you what it looks like once we have the QR code scanner. So the next thing you'll do is open any QR scanner, and I am scanning the same QR code on that page, and it opens right up. And here it is. The night before kindergarten. 'Twas the night before kindergarten. To make a YouTube QR code is super simple, and it's very close to what I showed you for the audio QR code. The only difference is on your phone, you take a video of yourself reading the book, and then you upload it to YouTube and make sure it's unlisted so only people that have the link can see it. And then from there, you would put the URL link into one of the QR code generators and then follow those same steps. So that's what I decided to do so that my students can see the pictures as well. Welcome to kindergarten. This is Miss Hammery, and I will be your kindergarten teacher. This book is called The Night Before Kindergarten by Natasha Wing. The night before kindergarten. 'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. They tossed and they turned about in their beds, while visions of school supplies danced in their heads. If you decide to make QR codes or read a different story to your class, please let me know in the comments below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more kindergarten fun.